5-step fix for we can't sync your data with the cloud in Rematch. 1. Restart everything. Fully close Rematch and the Xbox app. Restart your PC or console. Relaunch the game and see if it syncs. Chapter 2. Check Xbox Cloud and Live status. Go to support.xbox.com/xbox/live.xbox.com/xbox live status. If Xbox Live or Cloud Save is down, wait. The issue is on Microsoft's side. Chapter 3. Run Xbox Networking Diagnostics, PC only. 1. Open Windows Settings Gaming, Xbox Networking. 2. Let it test for connectivity issues. 3. If it says Torito is unable to qualify or blocked, click Fix It or follow the guide shown. 4. Sign out and back into Xbox app and Microsoft Store. 1. Open Xbox app, sign out, close it. 2. Open Microsoft Store, sign out, close it. 3. Reopen both and sign back in with the same Microsoft account. 4. Open Rematch again. 5. Repair, reset the game, PC only. 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. 2. Find Rematch, click Advanced Options. 3. Click First Try Repair. If it fails, click Reset. May delete local data. 6. Delete local cloud cache, PC Advanced. This is safe if your cloud save is up to date. 1. Navigate to Sent Local App Data Packages. 2. Find folders starting with Microsoft.Xbox Game Overlay Score. 3. Delete folders like System App Data Helium Local Cache. 4. Reboot your PC and relaunch the game. Chapter 7. Reinstall Rematch. Last resort. 1. Backup local saves if possible. 2. Uninstall the game from the Xbox app. 3. Reinstall it. 4. Ensure you're signed in with the correct Xbox account to resync cloud data. Bonus, if on Xbox console, go to Settings, System Storage, select Clear Local Saved Games. Cloud saves are untouched. Restart console, launch Rematch again.